Hi guys, welcome back to Cool Guy Industry. Today I'm going to be fixing this clock core. This clock core, when I insert a battery, it does not turn at all, as you can see. So yeah, we're going to open this up and fix it. So I'm going to start by taking apart the clock hands so we can just get everything kind of out. There's a certain gear in there, the second hand counter, that we need to take out. I like to put the little nut back on there just so everything doesn't fall out. Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're going to look at these 3 clip points. All you got to do is just unclip all 3, and then the back just pulls right up. Get the turning gear there. And now we can see the gear housing. This is where we're going to be fixing our clock core. Let me zoom in a little bit here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take off the middle one, followed by the right hand one, and then the yellow one on the left hand side. The black one in the little shape here, that is your drive gear. Your drive gear is what turns the rest of the gears. The way this works is it takes electricity from the magnet, the little coil there. That takes electricity from the magnet and feeds a magnetic field through these 2 little plates here. And then that's what turns the magnetic wheel, turning the rest of the gears. I'm going to use some WD-40 to clean up our wheel because it's a little gunky and that's why it stopped working. Just get like a paper towel and use a very little amount. Doesn't take much, you just gotta like rub it in there. Just make sure it's clean and a little lubricated. It should work just fine. Gonna put that back in the housing. Put this back together. Gonna throw a battery in. Push it on the middle. And there you go. You can see that the drive gear is turning. I don't know if I can get close enough. There. So that's a very good sign. We're going to take our battery out, put back in the gears that we need for the clock to work. First one we're going to put back is the yellow. Put that back with the gears facing up. And we're going to put back in the right side one with the gears facing down, and then the middle one to connect the rest of the pieces. Make sure the gears turn and put the battery back in to see if all the gears turn. And they do. So then what's left to do is just put your back on. Back on. And put the turning gear on the back. And I'm going to put the hands back on just to show that everything's working. The power hand. Minute hand. And a little minute hand nut. And the second hand. Battery back in, and as you can see, it is now working. This method saves you about $5 to $10 if you're wanting to buy a whole new core, and it can even save you from buying a whole new clock. So this is a really good trick to getting your clock working again. I'm get my battery put in my clock, you can see the whole thing starts working. And there you have it. This is how you fix a clock if the hands won't turn at all when inserting or replacing your battery. That's pretty much it for this video. If you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe.